good evening. Some additional clarification about the Trinity. It is written in the first verse in the Torah, Bereshit, Bara, Elokim, etc. The first three letters, Bereshit, that are the same letters, the same word in the beginning, Bara. Bara is the acronym of Ben, what is the Son, Resh, what is the acronym of Ruach HaKodesh, the Holy Spirit, and Aleph, that is the acronym of Av, Father. So Ben, Ruach HaKodesh, Av, has the acronym of Bara, as well as the first three letters of the first word, Bereshit. It means there are three things. Shit, it means in Aramaic six. In the moment we have three things, they can become six things, like the sixth day of creation. If I have a word, Av, Ruach HaKodesh, and Ben, and Son, there are six ways how to order the three letters. If I have three letters, it can be ordered like this, 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 like this, like this. Right? So we see the Bara is related to the sphere of Yesod, because the way you put the order of the six, of the three letters, it's a very systematic, it's a big learning about the soul.
So these are the permutations.
How every permutation of three letters, it's a certain way, the way the Chabad, the mind, appear in the heart, in the six attribute of the heart.
The mind?
The mental,
the mind.
Chabad, Chokhmah, Binah, Dat, it's the three letters. The way they appear in the heart, they appear like six. This was, by the way,
in the heart.
When, yeah, we explained that Bereshit is a three thing, three letter, that is the Son, the Holy Spirit, and the Father. We have it's a backwards order. The backwards order always related in Kabbalah to Sirat HaYesod. The one I have put.
Reversed order.
Yes, the reverse order. It means have to do with, it's the order that has to do with Yosef HaTzadik in Kabbalah. This was by the way. So the Torah starts with the Trinity, the idea of Trinity, and it is a famous hint of one of the first Mekubalim, Rabbi Avraham Abulafia. He says that שלושה דברים יחד, three things together that have the acronym of Shaddai, the name of God.
Acronym.
The acronym of the name of God, one of the name of God that have to do with Yosef as well, the Shem Shakai. These three words, three things together equal in Gematria Bereshit. 913. Okay? Three things with not the word Yachat equal Moshe, Aaron, and Miriam. So it's another example of the Trinity, representation of the Trinity, equal Yetziat Mitzrayim, the going out of Egypt. Now, if I take the first verse of the Torah, Bereshit, bara Elohim את השמיים ואת הארץ. I will take the shin. I will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I get to Lamed. I count another 7 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I get to the shin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I count more, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I get the word free, שלושה, in jumping of 7 letters in the first verse. שלושה, 3 things. Alright?
So this verse means, 1 second, means in the beginning, in the Genesis,
God created the heaven and the earth. Right? So we have the word free that appear in skipping in the same amount of letters. 7 letters, 7 letters, 7 letters between. Bereshit bara Elokim equal Torah, Nevim, Ktuvim. What is the free part of the Bible? And equals the word bara, like if you write bara with aleph like 1,000. 1,203 equal Bereshit bara Elokim. It means these 3 words altogether, it's the Trinity as well, with a big aleph. So there are many hints of Trinity about even the first verse in the Torah. Now another thing I would like to talk about the Trinity. Before the sin of the first Adam and Eve, the first sin, it is written that the ground, the earth, have a sin too. God asked her to do a tree of fruit that do fruit, עץ פרי עושה פרי, and it is written that she did עץ עושה פרי. A tree that do a tree. What is the difference between what God asked to the land to do and between what she did? A tree that is a fruit, it do fruit. It means the tree has to be a fruit as well. And what she did, she just did a tree that do a fruit. Alright, so it's a big difference. If you translate this to what we was talking in the other lesson, it means what God asked from the earth is like a mother. That the mother, if we remember the letter Aleph, the mother, the Isha, it's like the tree here. And she have fruit, it's like the sun. Right? This is a tree that have a fruit that is the sun. Just like the seed we said. But God asked that the mother will be a fruit as well. It's why we explained that Miriam, the mother of Yeshua, equal fruit. It means it is here a connection of the sin of the earth. And this is the background for the sin of the first man and the first woman. Because what was the sin? God did say, do not eat the fruit of Etz Hadat, of the tree of knowledge. He said, don't eat the tree. This is what is written.
Don't eat from the tree.
No, don't eat the tree.
Don't eat the tree.
Yeah, this was the order of God. Alright? People don't put attention on this, but we try to be now a little bit more exactly about what the Torah said. Now, so God said, don't eat the tree. He didn't say do not eat the fruit of the tree. It's no problem eating the fruit of the tree. Chava ate the fruit of the tree. She didn't do any sin. Eve. Right? A woman, what is interesting to the woman is the result. The result, the goal, to have children. She's looking for the children. She not looking for the pleasure to get the children. The husband eat from the tree. Her husband.
Her husband.
Yeah, Adam ate from the tree, not from the fruit. He was punished to be out of garden, not Eve. It is written that God took Adam out of the paradise. No. By why Chava came here? She came here for Adam. Right? It's needy. It means her punishment is because she make him to do the sin. Right? So actually the sin was not to eat the fruit, it was to eat the tree. Why? Because the sin of the earth, that the tree was not yet a fruit.
Sin of the earth?
The sin of the earth. It means, in this world...
How do you say in Hebrew, sin of the earth? In Hebrew, how do you say sin of the earth?
חטאה של הארץ. הארץ חוטאת. הארץ חטאה. The land have a sin. She didn't make exactly what she was commanded to do. God asked the land to do a tree of fruit that make fruit. It means the tree have to be fruit as well. What is a tree that it is a fruit, and what is the idea of the mother? The idea of the mitzvah of Shiluach HaKen, the sending the nest. It's one of the basic mitzvot that have to do with the Mashiach, because Mashiach, we call him the bird, and his place in heaven called the nest of the bird. It is written, you take the sun, you take the fruit, and you send the mother. It's from the first point of view of understanding, it's like the order, eat the fruit and don't eat the tree that makes the fruit. Don't put attention on the cause of the thing. It is what I want. Let's say I have a goal. One of the gematria of Etz is money, kesef. Money, it is a goal, or it is something to achieve my goal. Right? So in this world, we usually will say money is bad, but what you can achieve with the money can be very good. It means send the mother and take the kids, the food. In the time of Mashiach, the idea of rectification of the land of the mother, it means we do a rectification of the way how to get to the food as well. The way how to get, it's like the Vav. The food is more like a Yud. Again, the same idea that we will say that the way have to be holy too. It means the money has to be holy as well.
It's something from Yud Kei Vav Kei, Yud and Vav.
The money have to be holy as well. Like it is said, a verse in Hebrew that many people say, המטרה, the goal, make holy the way to get to the whole. So usually the sense, the meaning of this say, it's like using in a bad way the way. It means, let's say that I have a goal, very important goal, but to get to this goal I have to cheat and I have to lie and I have to do bad things. So we say, well, the goal make holy all the way. So this is a bad sense of making holy the mother. It means in this world, most of the time we cannot do it. But the rectification of the mother, of this idea that the mother will be a fruit, it means that yes, the goal, this what make all the way to the goal holy. It's not mean that the way to the goal have to be bad, in the regular sense of being bad, right? But it means that really everything is holy. God is everywhere, and one day we are going to learn how Mashiach born, how he get here. How we bring Mashiach on earth. It seems to be something impossible to make peace in this world. So to learn about Mashiach, that Mashiach is a fruit. Everybody wants a fruit. Who cares about how he got here? No. All the learning, what is Mashiach, is the learning how we get, how Mashiach born in this world. It's the same thing, the same learning. It means I make from the mother a son, a goal by himself. It means the money that usually in this world is evil thing, it can be a very good thing by himself. Or anything else in this world can be very good. Money, it's like energy, it's like kisufim, it's like desire of love, it's like love. Money, it's just love. What we do with this love, this is another question. Okay, but there's nothing wrong with money. But in this world it's very difficult to be good and to have money as well. It's difficult, so we say it's better you put the money aside, like Jesus asked somebody that want to be his disciple to give all his money away. Alright, so this is a concept that in the time of Mashiach, the way to achieve the goal is only like the goal by himself. It means the mother is a fruit as well, not only the son.